going on, everybody? Timmy D here, back again. Another video here for the Hustler's Manifesto. Today, I'm going to show you how you can design free mockups, awesome mockups in just seconds, maybe minutes. I'm also going to show you how to utilize hundreds of free mockup templates. Now, you can upload images, you can upload videos, awesome format here that we're using, and the platform I'm using here is Builderall. There'll be actually a free trial here at the end of this video at the bottom here. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and click it. It'll give you 1 week of a free trial. You can use the Design Mockup Studio and all the other tools, which you'll see here. Just if you're not familiar with Builderall, it's the smartest marketing platform ever invented. One of the best affiliate programs and fastest growing companies in 2018. As far as tools, we've got the Design Mockup Studio, SEO Report tools, Facebook and lead generation tools, 2 video makers, 3 website builders, a blog designer, a professional copywriting app, script generator, webinar. I mean, the list goes on and on. The whole thing is you got all your marketing tools in one place, and the best part is $29 a month. For all that, you can have access to all the marketing tools, and for $49 you can become an affiliate. And as a Builderall affiliate, they pay 100% on the initial sale and 30% recurring. Plus, there's a 2-tier commission program. So let me jump into it here now that I got my little spiel out of the way. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to design some really cool stuff here. As you can see here, these are all, this is in your builder dashboard, this is the Design Mockup Studio. Okay, you have hundreds of templates, including ebook templates, you know, laptop, computer templates, transparent templates. I mean, you name it, it's in here. And the nice thing is you can also upload your own templates here by just going to My Holders. If you go to My Results, this will kind of give you an idea here and show you some of the ones that I've built, if it hurries up a little bit. So here we go. I had to throw my little handy dandy glasses on because I'm going blind here at the age of, well, I don't even want to say my birthday's in 2 days, but if you guess right, I'll no, I'm just kidding, 44. But anyways, this will give you an idea of some of the cool stuff that you can do here. A lot of these are junk, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea. One of the really cool things that's actually kind of unique, you don't see this with a lot of them, but you can actually, this is like one of my favorites, where you can actually throw a video in there. I would say this would be one of my favorite templates. And I like the transparent Mac there. There's actually a lot of really cool templates that you can use, and all of them are free with your Builderall subscription. So like, here's another cool one. I mean, you can see how awesome that looks. I mean, can you imagine that on your website or blog? A little cool quick intro video. It's just awesome. So now let me get to it here and show you how to do one real quick here, because it's super duper simple. We're just going to go here, and I'm actually going to show you here. This is one of my favorites also. And here you would upload like 3 different medias. And in any of these, you can upload a video or a JPEG or a PNG image. What I'm going to actually do here is, I had something that I wanted to put on a ebook here, so I'm going to actually do this one. Well, no. Yeah, I guess we'll do this one here. I wanted to do this because I was going to, okay, so basically you just upload your image, scale it to size right here with the scale button. As long as it's within the red lines, you're good to go. Might not always be perfect, but like, to me, that's pretty close right there. And I'm putting, This is my complete guide here. Powerful headlines that sell like crazy. Includes 72 of the most powerful headline formulas. You can also get this. Now this isn't exactly a perfect fit here, so I might actually want to go a little bit bigger. You got to kind of just play around with it. Sometimes it can be a little bit, oh, well, do that one right. A little bit tricky. So I'm just going to actually just center it, and I'm going to call it good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I can make this fit better if I wanted to play around with the image. I can go into my Canva and just resize it, but I'm not going to do that right now because that's not what the video is all about. But then you just click done. It'll take a couple seconds here to upload. Then all you need to do is click see result. And you see you have your result here. Now, like I said, I would go ahead and probably adjust this a little bit. Like I even could have done the background color different. In fact, let me just try that. Oops. You know what? I'm going to try that over again. Let me just even try a different one here. Let's even do this ebook here and see how that one turns out. We'll upload. Oh, that one's got a well, sidebar. Never really played with that before, but well, anyways, this, yeah, that actually fits a lot better, as you can see. Fits right in there. So this one might actually just be perfect. So put it in there, see result, and we are done. And here's our result. And as you can see, it kind of overlaps. Now, I could be cool with that, but I want it to look good. So I'm actually just going to go into my Canva, and I'm going to adjust it here to account for that. I'm just going to move everything over just to kind of account for that sidebar there. Okay, and this is take me 2 seconds to do, literally. I think that should be good. If not, I might have to come back and adjust a little bit more. Alright, so let's just see if this works here. Just going to go ahead and download this real quick. And then we're going to just redo what we just did. I'm going to save it, and we're going to redo the whole thing real quick and just see how it turned out. You just got to play around with it a little bit, but I mean, actually, I could have just used a different template. I could have left it be. There's definitely one that would fit. Anyway, I'm just kind of showing you here how to surround with it here. So now let's just let's try this and see if it actually works. We're at, but anyway, upload the image. Here it is. All right, powerful headlines that sell. Move it over a little bit here, and thinking this might work okay. It probably won't be perfect. I would have to adjust it maybe a little bit, but anyway, let's just see what happens. And there's our result. And you can see, actually that turned out real good. So just a little bit of adjusting in Canva, and you can do that with any of them that are a little bit off. Otherwise, choose a different template. I just download it, and it's yours to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it, and that's it. We're done. So anyways, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, show me some love. You know, give me a like or a share, and you know, go ahead and follow along. The Hustler's Manifesto is actually my journey to make money online. Now, I've been doing this for a few years, but I kind of just started recording it, and I'm just kind of going back to the drawing board to share all the tips that I learned along the way, which I wish I would have documented them exactly when I started, but being in that time frame, I learned a hell of a lot, and I figure if I can save you the headaches that I went through, curve your learning curve, then hey, it's good for you. And you should join my affiliate team with Builderall. First, check out the tools, get a free trial, and you know, if you want to join my team, I provide free one-on-one mentoring. There's a 90-day challenge, which is 90 days of free training. An awesome affiliate course, which has got a beginner, intermediate, and advanced level, plus all the stuff that I send free. I send you all kinds of training for free, because the bottom line is, with the two-tier program, when you make sales, I make sales. And the cool thing is that if you become an affiliate, you can do the exact same thing. And when you build a team, same thing happens. You make commission off of their sales plus your own, 100% upfront, 30 recurring, and believe me, your income snowballs quite quickly, as mine has. And of course, what would I be if I only talked the talk and didn't walk the walk? So um, actually, this is like a screenshot of a video I made before, but yeah. This is this year so far, and I've only been doing this a little bit over a year with Builderall, and I'll tell you what, it's the best affiliate program I've ever been involved with, period. It's a program that's in high demand, and it practically sells itself. And right now I'm averaging about 30 subscribers a day. And as far as conversions, we're right around 18%, and that's pretty damn good for a conversion rate. So yeah, if you become a part of my team, I'll show you how to make your first 50. I'll show you how to make your first 100. Then we'll get up to making money every day. And you know, hey, team, team, team. And I guarantee you, man, you probably heard all the BS before and tried all the bogus money-making scams. But this is one affiliate program that's awesome. It works. It's great for beginners, and it's one of the best, most lucrative affiliate programs I've ever been involved with. Builderall is definitely the platform or marketing app of the future, if you want to call it. So yeah, I appreciate you watching the video, and if you got any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.